Yo guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. Getting a group ride in today, meeting Eric and it's a guy named Harper up at the meeting spot right here. So we're gonna go see what we can get going on. What's up? How we doing? Good. What's good, bro? I think we're about to send it. No clue where we're riding today, but we got the two Talarias with us. Eric with his upgraded one, and then Harper with what I believe is a stock one. Ooh. We gotta keep practicing our throttle one-handers today. Next up, hand drag. Skaters like it. All right, ride has begun, baby. All right, down Spring Garden we go. Yeah, so that's a stock Sting R. So thing is pretty powerful. The other Stings I ride with, the MX3s, aren't quite as fast, but that's the Sting R. That's what I was kind of considering getting. Yeah, I don't know. We're all moving. It's always so funny how you can just literally cruise and keep up with traffic on this thing. So little. And it's gonna be even more insane once I put the EC4P motor on. Lambo. It's gonna rip. Like, it's literally gonna be able to do like 60, which is more than that bike stock, or more than the Sting R stock. And it'll be close to the performance of that because it's like 11,000 kilowatts, so pretty sick. People always are interested in them. Get a little one-hander action in here. Woo! Dude, Ninox are feeling good now. Yeah, so this is Rivers Casino right here. I think we go over this way. Wheelie through the casino. Hey. Oh, we got the wheelie kids. They're gonna love this. I just don't know if it's gonna be realistic or not. Oh, I'll follow him on the green. Yes, sir. What's good? 76 volts, it's like 5,000 watt motor. Yeah, so it rips. I like it, bro. Yeah, appreciate it, dude. You around town or something? Yeah, all the time. Art museum and all. Yeah, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate the support. All right, ride safe, y'all. Anyways, Surround Mega Ride. I want to go, but I just don't know if it's feasible because it's a far-ass drive. 23 hours, and I don't really have a vehicle to drive down there. I'm not bringing this bike in my Miata, that's for sure, so I'm not sure. We'll see. Those were my loyal followers. I recognize you immediately. Yeah. Let's try a throttle one-hander here. There we go. Beautiful coming on at the water here. This is sick on the water here. Let's go. Everyone is very confused and upset with us being here. Oh, baby. Let's go. The construction site. Oh, Razor's not built for this. Oh, word, is this a little trail? Oh, shit. Have you been on this before? What the fuck is going on in here? Why do I feel like they just committed a crime back here? Yeah, why don't you roost me, Eric? Whoa! On the water, under the trees, next to the bridge. Oh, watch that. What the fuck? What are we going into? Yo, this is interesting as fuck. Yo, I had no clue this was here. Oh, there's hella people here too. Just burning fire there, what the fuck? This is so interesting. There's a swing? What the fuck is good? Spray painting. Oh, good catch. What kind of fish is that?
That's a catfish.
Catfish? Ah. What the fuck? What the fuck is this place, bro? What the fuck is this?
Tell people sue on our box.
It's a what?
A hippie commune.
Is that what it is?
That's what I would call it. It's like for free thinkers.
So Eric says it's just like a hippie, well, he calls it a hippie commune. I don't think it's really that. I think it's just a bunch of open-minded people hanging out, doing their thing. So it seems to be, at least. This is very interesting. Paul So Hard would love this place. Oh, I can't see shit with the sun right now. Literally can see nothing. Like, what is everyone wearing that's going in there? What an interesting place. There we go. Circles while Eric looks at the map. Alright, we're gonna try a little one-hander for the gram. Ah, how'd it look? Oh, that's great. Nice. Oh yeah, I love this little trail here. It's the wheelie trail. I can't even imagine how this bike is going to be when it can go 60. That'll just be a whole new level of insane. There's the dirt bike. What's good? I hear the dirt bike. Let's see it! Hey! Oh, just chilling. That's that 450 power. Yup. That 450 power. Good shit. Big 450, right? 250, yeah. This guy loves the Razor. Slow down for Nina. He's just like, damn, bro. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I can't hear a word you're saying. Oh, yeah, I hate Ninox, bro. I only just learned them. He said he fell too many times doing Ninox on that. Yo, that thing is sick. The Suzuki Samurai. Dude, I wish I could still kill switch people. I miss that. I guess with these, I just gotta pull your front brake, right? Even better. Yeah, but it's harder to get to instead of just like, you got the cops posted up right here, as they usually do. The bikes aren't really allowed to park here. They just kind of do. Probably gonna get yelled at by this cop. Did he say something? What did he say? Oh. Yeah, well, none of these people can. Alright, peace, bro. Good ride. Ride safe. Enjoy dinner. Oh, pink Mustang, huh? Woo! Peace! Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Peace.